Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kate Infinity, and if you're new here, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and for those who are coming back, welcome, karibuni sana. So I'm going to make a healthy breakfast idea for our babies using Weetabix. So we're going to use 2 biscuits of Weetabix. We're going to use milk, honey, avocado, half of it, and half a banana. The reason as to why I choose to use avocado, it's because it has a nutritional value, and by this I mean it has unsaturated fat. It has folate that is important in the brain function. So I think it's the best fruit to give to our babies. The next important fruit that I used is banana, which is rich in potassium and calcium. It also has vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. It has folate. It is rich in fiber, which is very important in digestion, and it reduces constipation. And also bananas are well known in weight gain. So at this point, I'm going to use my fork and smash my fruits in a bowl. Crush your fruits to depending with your liking, also depending with the age of your baby. And one thing you need to know is that Weetabix is recommended to kids above 3 years. Kindly ensure that you give Weetabix to the recommended age. I'm adding honey. Honey acts as a cough suppressant, and you all know it should not be given to kids below 1 year, that is below 12 months. Continue crushing your fruits until you get the right consistency. I'm going to do the same thing to the biscuits. I'm going to crush them. Don't forget, Weetabix are high in protein and they have low calories. They are also a great source of fiber. After crushing, you add milk, then you continue mixing until you get the right consistency from the mixture. This is one of the simplest and easiest breakfast idea that has great nutritional value to our babies. Kindly don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.